If your garbage disposal is acting up, whether it's just not operating properly, making a humming noise, essentially just not doing its job, try this out before you call a plumber. It's a very simple DIY friendly fix that might just work for you. This is a Wolverine Brass garbage disposal. Now what I'm going to show you on this unit will work for Wolverine Brass as well as many other common household names such as InSinkErator. If you take a look on the bottom of the disposal, you'll see that there is a red reset button. This is the first thing you want to hit. If your disposal is silent and just not making any noise, nothing happens when you flip the switch, try pressing the reset button first. It's entirely possible that a foreign object or food particles that the unit just wasn't prepared to handle entered in and then caused it to have a problem doing its job. In which case, many units have a reset feature where it will actually trigger the system. It's going to shut it down, prevent the motor from burning out, and you'll have to press the button that's been tripped in order to then turn it back on. So literally it's as simple as pressing the button. Once you've done that, you now want to run some water in the sink and power on your disposal and see what happens. In some cases, this is all you'll need to do and your disposal is now going to be operating properly. However, in other cases, there may still be a bit of work to be done. Again, typically if you're pressing this button and that's getting it to power back on, there was something in the unit that caused it to shut off to begin with, and if that hasn't been flushed from the system, you'll need to remove that. So now that you've pressed your reset button, what happens next? In some cases, that's all you need to do. Go ahead and run some water, power on your disposal, and see what happens. However, keep in mind that I did mention that if you're having to press this button, there's a good chance something entered into the grinding chamber that the disposal just couldn't handle. And if that hasn't been flushed out yet, then there's still a little bit of work to be done. So, what happened when you powered the unit on? I'm guessing it was no longer silent if you were able to activate the reset button. But it may not be operating properly. Perhaps it's got just a little humming sound. If it's just humming and it's not really making much noise, the next step is to take your disposal key and we're going to insert it into the hole in the center of the bottom of the unit. Now this key should have come with your garbage disposal if your disposal has this hole. However, I've been to many homes where the key just got lost due to time, so if you need one, I'm going to have a link in the description of this video. Before inserting your disposal key, make sure power is turned off to the unit. Now we're going to insert it into the hole and rotate back and forth. It may be a little bit stiff at first. Once you're able to spin the key until it rotates freely, you're ready for the next step. Remove the disposal key, run water in the unit, and power it on. What kind of noise is it making now? If it sounds normal, you have a nice consistent running sound, nothing sounds like it's in there, you're in good shape. Congratulations, job well done. However, if it's operating but it sounds like there's something banging around in there, that means that whatever was in the grind chamber that triggered the unit to shut off is still in place. We want to fish that out. So what we're going to do is remove the stopper from the unit, and now you'll be able to access the grind chamber. I don't recommend sticking your fingers in here. Even though the blades are relatively dull, you can still end up cutting yourself. I like to take a pair of needle nose pliers, use a flashlight on the inside, and pull out whatever is still in place. With that completed, do one final test. Run some water through the unit, and while water's flowing through, power it on, see what it sounds like. My guess is, you just took care of your problem. Congratulations, thanks for watching, I hope this has been helpful. You have a great day.